I choose STEAM education for my child because I believe that STEAM can give an opportunity for my child to engage on the hands-on projects that will develop and stimulate their analytical thinking, imaginative thinking to solve global problems. I believe by doing this, I can prepare her for her future careers.
Saya pilih STEAM Education, menurut saya sangat bagus sekali karena STEAM itu gabungan dari Science, Teknologi, Engineering, Arts, and Mathematics, di mana anak-anak akan bisa menghadapi masa yang akan datang dengan lebih baik. Dengan pelajaran STEAM ini, apalagi di Sampoerna Academy ini mengajarkan secara project, membuat anak-anak itu bisa berpikir kritis, kreatif, dan problem solving.
So my proudest moment for my child during the expo journey is actually when I could see her with her teamwork can solve problems together. Along with all the teams, despite all having the problems, they still just keep going, tackle the problem one by one, and can achieve their goals. See you at the next STEAM Expo!